Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Discovery app. First, open the Discovery mobile app on your iPhone. If you are not signed in, enter your user ID and password to login. Once you are logged in, go to the setting or account area inside the app. Look for the gear icon or menu button that usually find option for security. In your account or app setting, find the option that says enable biometric, face ID login or touch ID login. You might see a toggle switch next to it. Tap switch or option to turn it on. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm using your Face ID or Touch ID. Just follow the on-screen instruction and approve with your Face ID or fingerprint, and that's it. Now the next time you open the Discovery app, you will see or able to sign up using your Face ID or Touch ID instead of using your password. If you don't see the biometric option inside the app, here's how to quick fix it. Open the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type Discovery mobile app and make sure Face ID and password or Touch ID is turned on for the Discovery app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.